Hi, welcome to FullStellar. I'm Misha Flake-Jansen, and welcome to the third part of your HTML tutorial. I'm gonna show you three more, uh, three more tags you can actually work with, which are basically, how can I explain this easy way? Headings as first. If you always work in Word or any text editor like special text editors for letters, etc., you have work with headings, heading 1, 2, and 3, etc., which there basically are also in HTML. So if you want to actually start creating a header, you need to open your tag, put in H1 for heading 1, so it's the biggest one actually, and you say heading 1, and you close that one. This basically prints that first heading on. This is you, the paragraph, of course. P. Hello, this is header 1. Yeah, actually type it like that, else it won't work. And then you have a heading 2, which is a little bit smaller. Heading 2. Make another paragraph. Yes, this is a little bit smaller. And of course, your header 3. Header 3. Close that one. And this header is the smallest. Oh, but scratch there. These are basically headers. If I open these ones in my, let's see, index.html, why doesn't it actually? God damn it! Seriously, I'm sorry, you guys, that you have to actually watch this. Go to D. No, wait, it was actually on my desktop. How stupid is that? How stupid is that, people? I was actually working on my desktop with this instead of. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let's see. HTML tutorial, yes, index.html. We save this, and you see these headings fully here. Cool, huh? So yeah, those are basically the headers. Let's see. I need to make this smaller a bit. Sorry, else you can't see. Next example is actually we already did paragraph, so I don't need actually to explain it anymore and the breaks in the paragraph. So next is a link. So if you want a link to another website, you basically open your tag, put an A. I have no clue what this means. Like the people who invented HTML decided to, if you want to have an A, if you want to have a link, it has to need a H. I mean an A and an href for hyperlink referral, and then you need to do is double quotes, and between these double quotes it's actually the source. So this can be like the about.html towards in your own website. Seriously, I can't get out of my speech in here. You just want to kill me. Let's see. And also you need to like say about in between these two tags, else there's just an invisible link which you don't want to have. Now this link is on the about text here, which is not actually entered. Like it doesn't have a white line from the header is the smallest. But if you click this, you can actually go to the about HTML page. What I'm going to do is just change this to this thingy here. I have no clue what it's called because I'm Dutch. And we're going to check out our website again, which, as you can see, has this about on it. You see that? If we click on it, you see that there's going to be this. This actually means that it actually works. Wow, how can I do that? That's wow. um, if we put it on, if you just change this to Google and type in http://google.com, which will actually turn in Dutch with me, I think. So it says Google here. If you click on that, you go to Google, and of course here, and it's Dutch. Yep, Dutch. So just press off, Jesus Christ. Just go press back, and you have these fully thing over here. Next one up is images, which I basically love to do because you put anything into images. So basically, you open a tag and see image, img, and you make a space behind it and type in src for source. So you actually need to point out where it is. Double quote, and you go to like you will actually point out on where it's actually going to be. Most people work with an images folder within the folder. They're having the index.html about the HTML gallery.html, etc. Well, I'm going to do a bit different. You actually need to do it like the images backslash thing I just did. I'm just going to do this a bit unfair. Let me open my thingy here and click on that, and it's not giving me anything. Okay, let's do that and just do this and close that and come on. What you need to do is always put a double slash here, so it always knows it's there. And I'm just gonna put this in because I already had that like on my desktop. So I save this, but something's wrong. Do I also need to have something standing here? No, you actually don't need that. This is the same thing as the break tag. You can just space behind that, front slash, and close the tag. Standalone tag. What you also can do is put a link over this and point it out to, because the char.ping is actually an airplane, so it's airplane plane.com or something like that. I actually need to do //airplane. And if we see this, we save this, and if we look at that, this actually shows us, hopefully. Oh, it doesn't. Well, let's see. Oh yeah. Wow. So stupid, I forgot to close that. Don't forget to close that. Hopefully, if we do this now, you can see there's an airplane within my image, and I can actually click on it, and it goes to airplanes.com. See? Airplanes.com. Cool, isn't that? That's basically it for today, and I know you still can't actually make a website out of yourself, but you're going to get there. I'm promising that. After these small tutorials we're doing, I'm going to teach you everything. We're going to actually make a foolproof website. I'm going to give you all the images, give you all like the layouts, etc. to work with, and just create the website with me just there. I promise you that. So save this one more time to be sure, and I'll see you next time.